So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to set up VPN on Starlink router, best VPN option and router limits and workaround. So how to recover suspended Instagram thread account. If your thread account is suspended, it usually means the linked account was flagged for a policy or security issue. Here's how to try restoring it quickly. Check the suspension reason first, then submit an appeal from Threads or Instagram, then complete identity verification if asked. Avoid spam like activity to improve restore chances. Fix 1 is check the suspension message carefully. Open Threads and Instagram and read the exact reason shown. Policy violation, suspicious activity, spam, and etc. Many suspensions are temporary and may automatically lift after review. Note any deadline mentioned for submitting an appeal. Fix 2 is submit an appeal. Go to in the app appeal option shows on the suspension screen, then open Instagram, then setting, then help, then report a problem. Clearly explain that you want your thread account reviewed and restored. Use polite simple language and avoid submitting multiple appeal quickly. This can show review. Tip: include your username, email, phone link to the account and approximate date the suspension happened. Fix 3rd is verify your identity or security info. Instagram may ask you to confirm email or phone number, upload ID verification, complete a selfie video check. Then reset your password. Finish all setup fully. Incomplete verification often keep the account suspended. Fix 4 is account restore tip increase approval chances. Remove third party app or automation tool linked to Instagram. Avoid mass following and unfollowing after recovery. Check if you recently posted copyright or repeated content. Turn on two-factor authentication for account safety. If appeal is rejected, wait 24 to 48 hours and submit one clear unfollow up appeal. You can also try contacting Instagram support through the help center inside the app. If the linked account is permanently disabled, thread access is usually lost too. Thank you.